Hey guys, in this video we're going to be putting on H-1 clips or hurricane straps. I'm going to show you where to put them and what they're for. Okay, so these H-1 clips are going to go up on these outlookers here. They're going to keep it from lifting off when the wind is blowing underneath the soffit. Because right now this connection is not very strong. It's just a couple toenails throughout here. So when we put these on, we're going to put them on every other outlooker. That's what the code in our area requires. That's what the building inspectors like to see. So we're going to skip this first one because it has a block in the way. And we're going to go up here, skip this one, and put it on the next one. We work all the way to the top of the gable. If you have a peaked gable, you're going to have two outlookers that are right next to each other. I usually just skip those because you can't get this in there. You skip two on the peak and then come right down to the other side. You're going to be using 1.5 inch positive placement nails to put these in, and make sure you're wearing safety glasses. Okay, so it's easy as that. Every other outlooker all the way up the gable ends. If you guys got any value out of this video, be sure to check out our video about putting hurricane screws into the truss heels for your wind hold down. Also, be sure to check out our video about building gable ends on the ground, where we build the entire gable assembly so we can put on the H1s right on the ground.